Seriously? Seriously? Okay, so what you're doing is you're putting get it nice and dark, okay? Alright, see what I just did there? Okay, so next what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this tissue paper and you're gonna fold it up in these little bits here like this. Okay, so it looks like that. Looks like that, see? Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this graphite from the bad paper on the edge right here. So you're gonna go like that. You see how it looks like that there? Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Get it nice on there, okay? You might have to go back and put more stuff on there. Now, over here, this is gonna be your nice picture. All right, so I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go and then go like this. And then do it again like this. Okay, you see that? Looks like you do, okay. And then I'm gonna go like this. All right, you all can hear my kid up there playing his video game, I'm sure. Like this. Now I'm gonna get more graphite on there, okay? You might need to keep a pencil sharpener near you. Like that, so I'm gonna get more on there like that. Okay. And again, I'm gonna get more on my piece of Kleenex, like that, and I'm gonna go like that and like that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make my mountain now. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this piece of paper and I'm gonna tear it in the shape of a mountain down from here. So I'm gonna go like, just make a little triangle out of it, okay? Tear it, make it as interesting as possible because it's a mountain. All right, you don't want to take it all the way to the edge if you can help it. But if not, it's no big deal. All right, so it should look like this a little bit. All right, now I want that to be a little more pointed. So I'm actually gonna tear that out myself like this, okay? That gives us a big, craggy looking mountain. Like that. I don't know, it's weird. So you can just tear it any way you want to, okay? But you want it to look like that. So then you're gonna do the same thing that you did before. You're gonna take your pencil, which is right here, and you're gonna go along all these edges as best you can, all right? You gotta get a lot of graphite on there, okay? So while I'm doing this, I'll tell you the story of why people call pencil lead instead of graphite. Because the Greek word for lead is aux, A-U-X. So whenever you're telling somebody that something is lead-like, and using the chemical definition of it, you know, the ones they use in labs and so forth, they call it aux. Now, when they had graphite, the scientists named it aux, A-U-S dash A-U-X. Os is Greek for like, meaning like lead. Because it is, it looks like lead, right? So then it came to the United States, And when they were starting to put it in, they said, we'll just drop the os and just call it ox. And that's how it became known as lead, even though it's really not. It's os-ox, like lead. So what you do is, if you saw what I just did there, is I took this mountain, put it on top like that with all the graphite. You don't have to line it up perfectly, you know, you just want it to be, because it is a mountain, mountains aren't perfect. So then I take this side that I have here, and I go, oops, hold on. Okay, so it's not coming in very deeply, so I probably gotta go back over it with more graphite. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over it some more, just like I did before. And again, you don't want it to like stain your mountain there. See how I'm leaving little marks? I'm gonna go back here and do this a little bit more. Make it a little more apparent. And then you can already start to see it, but you want to match it up again, like that. Okay, so it fits in. And then the same thing as before. You take this, and then you just go like that. That makes it a little bit darker. Now, if you have charcoal at home, it works better. Okay, and then there you go. You have yourself clouds and a mountain. If you want to, you can add a couple more clouds over here, like little whispers. All right, like that, and there you go. You have your value. Peace.